a crucial meeting aimed at ironing out commercial and operational challenges between Maharashtra State Power Generation Company and Western Coalfields Limited was held on May 26, 2026 at the Mahagenco headquarters in Prakashgarh, Mumbai. The meeting was led by Shri Bikram Ghosh, Director Finance of WCL, and Shri Manesh Wagirkar, Director Finance of Mahagenco. Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari has approved 1,427.61 crore rupees for the construction of a 4-lane Thiruvarur bypass on the Nagapattinam to Thanjavur section of NH83 in Tamil Nadu. The project spans 14.9 kilometers and also includes the construction of 2 additional road over bridges (ROBs) on NH129A and NH134A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has officially informed the stock exchanges regarding a change in its senior management team. According to the regulatory filing, Shri Suji Abraham, General Manager Planning, will retire from the company upon attaining superannuation. CCI has approved the creation of a joint venture company between Mercuria Energy Netherlands BV and Tata International Singapore Pte Limited. The proposed combination involves Mercuria Energy Group Limited through its subsidiary Mercuria Energy Netherlands BV and Tata International Singapore Private Limited entering into an agreement for the formation of a joint venture company to be established in the Dubai International Financial Center, United Arab Emirates. ONGC has commenced monetization from the Daman Upside Development Project located in the western offshore basin of the Arabian Sea, marking another significant milestone in India's domestic hydrocarbon production journey. The project is expected to progressively deliver approximately 4.89 million metric standard cubic meters per day of natural gas, strengthening ONGC's contribution towards enhancing the nation's energy security and reducing dependence on imported fuels. NLC India Limited has achieved its highest ever renewable energy generation of 2.25 billion units (BU) during FY 2025-26, marking a major milestone in the company's clean energy transformation journey. The achievement highlights NLCIL's continued focus on expanding its renewable energy portfolio while reinforcing its commitment to sustainability, operational excellence, and India's long-term energy transition goals. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has handed over dividend payments amounting to 142 crore rupees to the Government of Kerala toward unpaid interim and final dividends payable from fiscal year 2023 to 24 onwards. Power Finance Corporation Limited has announced the transfer of NERGS 3 Siang Basin Transmission Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of PFC Consulting Limited, to Dinesh Chandra R. Agrawal Infracon Private Limited. The transaction was completed on May 26, 2026, according to a regulatory filing submitted by the company to stock exchanges on May 27, 2026. National Small Industries Corporation (NSIC) has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with Andhra Pradesh MSME Development Corporation to promote digital commerce adoption among micro, small and medium enterprises (MSMEs) in Andhra Pradesh under the TEAM initiative. RITES Limited, a premier transport infrastructure consultancy, today signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with CRISIL Limited, a global analytics company known for its expertise in ratings, data, research and advisory solutions across domestic and international markets.